hell?
It's happening.
Oh.
What is that cat doing here? We have to get rid of it. Cats are weird. They're weird. Cats are weird.
Yeah, head guy, please. Can you show me where my dad is?
You went that way after just eating a cat.
Thanks. Your dad's weird. Boing. Then she said, I've had enough, but he wouldn't listen to her, and I said, you go, girl, but you wouldn't listen.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Brian's taking me out this afternoon. We're gonna go partying. Hope you don't mind. Of course you don't mind.
You really have to dump Brian.
Crush his heart into the dust.
Don't say that.
Well, my father does have some good advice, honey. You're right, Mom. See ya.
She only bought a $1,000 dress, and he wouldn't stop complaining about the whole
Hello,
time.
ma'am.
Mom, Dad, I got a new boyfriend. His name's Paul. I dumped Brian.
Pleased to meet you. I really love your daughter. She looks great for only 13. Let's murder him.
No. You can't just go around murdering people. You're not meant to.
Fine. How about we just kill him? Wonder what they're talking about.
Mom and Dad stuff, probably. I wouldn't worry.
Hey, guys. We've come to a decision about your relationship.
Mom.
Take that.